Hello, my name is Aitishree Bhattacharya and I am a student of EIILM-Kolkata and my course is BBA Honours in Hotel and Hospitality Management. Today we are going to prepare baked fish in lemon parsley butter. Let us begin.
So here are the following ingredients. We have the marinated fish, we have the different vegetables, we have the aromatics such as the rosemary, we have the spring onion, we have the parsley, we have the green chili, lemon, and we have the lemon butter sauce. So here we start. As a matter of fact, this thing can be baked as well as done in the pan. It can be closed and then baked in the pan itself. We've already marinated this fish with lemon juice, salt, pepper. We'll now put a little bit garlic in oil and then we'll start the process. Little chili placed for just the flavor. Put the marinated fish. We'll put some butter so that the fish doesn't dry up. We'll put a little bit of herb oil. A little bit more of the saffron oil. Just to enhance the color. Now we'll do the sauteed vegetables. We'll put some oil. Let the pan heat up. Put some garlic. As because it is fish, we'll put some ginger. We'll put some broccoli. This is already blanched broccoli. We'll put some carrots. We'll put some rosemary. We'll put some spring onion. A bit of pepper. A bit of salt. Okay. Now we are going to take this and put it here.
Now our dish is ready. Please try it at home and let us know how you liked it.
Thank you.